Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Mayo, ang guesto. And for today's Taste Test Review episode, Masay Foods and Promos by Miya Ramen. Miya Ramen, all-in-one Yakiniku and Ramen Restaurant with affordable price as low as 179 pesos. They're open every day starting 9 a.m. until 8 p.m. Located at a Perlas Street, Passi City. For their fullest of the news and other details, I'll provide description down below. This episode is a sponsored brand review and disclaimer na mga knows is my opinion and my own standards when it comes to brands or taste test reviews. Like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. At para always kayo notified sa mga latest episodes ko, just click the notification bell icon. And kapag may nakita yung skip ads, ilang seconds or ilang minutes kung may skip, malaking tulong na yun sa aking channel. These are only everything, minimum of 3 persons for 299 pesos. Includes only rice, Samgyupsal, Tempura, seafoods, sushi, Katsu, and ramen. One of the most affordable, all-in-one Samgyupsal, seafood, and a lot more in one package. Busog-lusog ka na not only for their presentation, but also for their quality and taste value. For rating monos, based on aming experience, Ilonggo vloggers will give it a perfect 10. For Miya Ramen, ito sulit na sulit yung experience namin. This is our first time in Passi City and also to eat at Miya Ramen. Have a wide selection of foods to enjoy with your friends, family, or loved ones. And magpasalamat ako kay Ma'am Tin for recommending us for this amazing local brand. And also sa mga Ilonggo vloggers na kasama ko, kay Glaiza, Hard Cases, Shane, and Biboy Natix for assisting and joining me for this wonderful experience. Especially sa lahat po ng mga owners, staff, chefs, for Miya Ramen. Once again, congratulations and thank you to Miya Ramen. Stay safe, manos. See you on my next brand, taste review, or do-it-yourself episodes here in the City of Love, Iloilo City. Bye!